friends, welcome to Civil Architecture Tutorials. Today the subject is regarding the standard dimensions of a modular kitchen. Modular kitchen is very famous here, especially in Kerala and also outside Kerala. As we know, modular kitchen is using different types of woods in it. Now we will discuss regarding the standard dimensions of modular kitchen. All modular kitchen is having some kind of skirting in it, so there will be a skirting, and this modular kitchen, as you know, is on some adjustable legs. So depending upon the adjustable legs, the skirting will have different dimensions like 75 mm or 100 mm or 3 inch or 4 inch, in other words we can say. So the skirting has got 3 inch or 4 inch dimension. Take it as example as 4 inch. And after skirting, we know the standard height up to the countertop from the floor is 34 inch. But the standard height, there is no standard height, we cannot say like that, because it depends upon the height of the person who is using the kitchen. So normally if a person is having 5 feet to 5.5 feet, he or she can use the kitchen or at a standard height of 34 inch, where the countertop will be at 34 inch from the floor level. And we can increase it, depends upon the height of the person who is using that. So that is the standard height. That means from the floor level to the top of the countertop, that is 34 inch. Then comes the part in between the countertop and the skirting, which is the usable area. That part consists of the kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets can be in 2 layers or 3 layers, 3 boxes or 2 boxes. Whatever it is, it has to take at least 28 inch height it should take. Then only we can go for that. So the total will come as 28 inch from countertop, from this area to the top of the skirting is 28 inch. Okay. So like I said before, bottom skirting is 4 inch and floor to countertop height is 32 to 35 inch. That depends upon the person who is using the kitchen. Then the bottom cabinet part is 28 inch. 28 inch, I said, the usable area, the 28 inch plus the 4 inch of the skirting plus the countertop 1 or 2 or 3 inch comes to around 33, 34, 35 inch. Okay, that is the total height of the countertop from the bottom of the floor. So that is it. Then it comes to the backsplash. This is the backsplash. Again, I said this is skirting. This is the area in between the skirting and the countertop. This is the countertop, and from after that the backsplash area on the wall where the water may come. When we are doing something in the kitchen, there is always chance for the water to come on this area, so we need to put some kind of tiles on the backsplash. And that backsplash area, it varies. Sometimes it may be around 1 feet, but it can be up to 2 feet. So there are 2 dimensions, 1 feet or 2 feet we can give. That depends. It depends upon. It can be customized. It depends upon the customer's choice, and also depends upon the design that we are providing. So this is backsplash, and backsplash can be, like I said, 2 feet. Differs accordingly. And then comes the upper cabinet. This is the upper cabinet. These two. Okay. These two, the dimensions can vary. There also it can vary. It can vary up to 1 feet to 2 feet. It depends upon the height of the person who is using. If a normal 5 feet person is using the kitchen, we don't have to go for 2 feet. Maybe we can go for 1 feet because it should be accessible. But the standard height, we can go up to 2 feet. The height of the upper cabinet will depend upon 2 factors. That is, one is the height of the window. There may be a window in between, and other factor is there may be a chimney in between. So it all depends upon the height up to which the window is there, or height up to which we are providing the chimney. Chimney, this is chimney or hood we are using there, and hood is where the hood is coming. Hood comes on hob, okay, where the burner is there. So there is a minimum distance between the hob and the hood, so that the suction force of the hood will be in a efficient level. To make it an efficient level, there is a particular distance that we need to maintain between the hood and the hob. Okay, and that distance is comes to 29 inch to 31 inch. 29 to 31 inch we need to provide. It can be up to 75 centimeter or 80 to 90. Commercially it is around Commercial, if it's a commercial kitchen, it's 90 centimeter, 75 to 90 centimeter, depends upon the suction power of the hood. Okay, so that is the 29 to 31 inches the height. And there are two types of chimneys available for the kitchen in our homes. That it comes in two sizes, that is one in 60 centimeter and other in 90 centimeter. So whatever it is, when we place the chimney, we need to provide some space from the cabinets on the other sides of the chimney. Otherwise, when we are going to place a chimney inside it, it will be a problem. So we need to have some play space in between the chimney, so that the chimney can go into it, and when we have to take it out, it should also give some space in between. So if it is 60 centimeter plus 3 inch, we have to provide in between these two cabinets. If it is 90 centimeter, also add 3 inch, so that we will get enough space to put the chimney into it and to take it out. Then comes the depth. How much depth this upper cabinet should have. So there is no standard depth up to which it have to go. At least you should take the width of a plate, so that we can put the plate inside it. So it will be more than 12 inch. Okay, so but anyway, there is another rule in which says that whatever be the depth or width of this countertop. So the countertop, as I said, it can vary from 24 inch to 30 inch. So if it is 30 inch, then it will be half of this countertop. That is 15 inch we can provide. If it is 24 inch, we can provide 12 inch, like that. Why we are providing half of it is that if we are standing here to do some work, so whenever we take something from here, the door may come upon our face. So that also should take into consideration. We can go for an uplift door here and not like sideways. So these areas we can go for an uplift door with a telescopic uplift, so that it will come slowly. So that also need to be considered. So that's why we are providing only half of the width of this countertop here. Then there is no standard height from the floor to the top of the upper cabinet, but still we can say that usually we are providing it in the height of 84 inch from the floor level to the top of the upper cabinet. Okay, it's 84 inch or 7 feet. Some kitchen is having a lot of height, maybe 3 meter or 3.2 meter is the room height of that kitchen, so that we get a lot of space above the upper cabinet. So that how can we utilize that cabinet? Sometimes we can provide loft in it, loft which have openable doors in it. Okay, so that height depends upon the height of the total height of the kitchen. This area is loft. So this is the upper cabinet, this is the loft. Again I am telling you, this is the down cabinet or bottom cabinet, this is the skirting, this is the countertop, this is the backsplash, this is the upper cabinet, this is the loft. And here on the top of the loft or starts the roof of the nest floor. Okay, so this is called loft. Some people are providing loft, some people are not providing loft, because to assess loft is a bit difficult. You need to put some stool or something to put something there, and because it is not a place where we need to assess every time. So just we have to store something, then you can provide loft. For that, the loft is using. Now I will say something regarding the corner cabinets. Corner cabinets is consisting of two types, that is L-shaped corner cabinet and the blind corner cabinet. So L-shaped corner cabinets measurements are like this. That is 36 into 36 inch, 39 inch into 39 inch, 42 inch into 42 inch. That's for L-shaped cabinet. And for blind cabinets, where one area is blind, you can see only the area which is facing to us, the inside area we cannot see. That's why it's called blind corner cabinet, and this is called L corner cabinet. So the blind corner cabinet we used to give at least 42 inch. Again I will come to the other cabinets like sink cabinet. You know, the countertop consisting of burner, the hood and hob area, then the sink. So these two areas we need to provide. In the sink area we need to provide a single bowl sink or a double bowl sink. It depends upon our convenience. So sink cabinet comes in a particular measurement only. It is not customized. So the measurements in which the sink cabinets are coming is 21 inch and 24 inch for single sink, So whatever it is there, we need to provide 3 inch, we need to add to this 21 inch so that we can give space to the sink cabinet to accommodate. And double bound, if it is a double bound sink, then we have to give again 3 inch to the standard measurements that is coming. That is the standard measurements are 37 inch and 45 inch for the double bound sink cabinet. Okay, add 3 inch to that. Inotech cabinets and wire basket cabinet. Inotech cabinets, as you know, is a new type of cabinets in which we can go for customized things. We can go for the customized measurement. There is no specific rule that you should give this much. It's not like that. We can give according to our wish, according to the utility. We can give the measurement, but still there are some kind of standard measurements available for Inotech cabinets too, which are 18 inch, 21 inch, 24 inch, 27 inch, 30 inch, 36 inch. So the wire basket comes in a fixed measurement or fixed size. So there we need to add 3 inch to that wire basket area so that we can put the cabinet correctly inside it. The standard size are available is 15 inch, 19 inch and 21 inch for wire basket. Hope you understand the standard measurements of modular kitchen today. I will come with a new subject in new video. Till then, goodbye. Please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you very much.